Hi beautiful people, welcome back. Hope everybody is doing fantastic wherever you are in this world. Happy Monday. Hope everybody had a safe and fantastic weekend. Monday morning, Blue Monday, I hope it's not. In today's video, I'm going to give you an update in connection with another YouTube creator that actually was sued for defamation in the amount of $10 million. Before that, my usual disclaimer, please do not take what I say as fact. Feel free to do your own research and come to your own conclusion. A few days ago, I came across this tweet from CHRSTIIAN on Twitter, and it says, today a federal court ruled in our favor in our lawsuit against Karen Yax, aka Critical K. Hopefully this is the first of many who will be held accountable for their intentionally hurtful actions attacking Christian and his family. So I did mention a year ago, and I made I think it was 2 videos about this creator named Critical K, who was being sued for $10 million by the mother of Christian ANDREACCHIO, Mrs. Ray ANDREACCHIO. I actually came to know about the story from KENDALL Ray. She covered it extensively. It's so heartbreaking. We'll link her channel down below. It's about a young man named Christian ANDREACCHIO, who in 2014 was found deceased in his home. His death was actually ruled by taking his own life by authorities. However, his parents did feel that foul play was involved. So Critical K did go on a channel, which she ran a true crime channel on YouTube, and she did not seem bothered at all by this lawsuit. She even claimed that she was taking one for the team, and what she is doing is fighting for all creators. In March of 2021, Critical K discussed on her YouTube channel that Christian's mom, Ray ANDREACCHIO, was bribing people, getting them drunk, bullying people, and amongst other hurtful things. Mrs. ANDREACCHIO did claim that these statements were defamatory and caused harm upon her reputation. On June 4th, she filed a lawsuit against Critical K alleging defamation. On June 24th, Critical K filed her answer and filed a motion to dismiss, and that motion to dismiss was denied on August of 2021. Side note, Critical K was representing herself. In November 2021, the case was scheduled by the judge for a telephone conference for December 14th of 2021, to which Critical K did not attend, and she was sanctioned by the court for $100. In August of 2022, Critical K tried to get a settlement conference by telephone or video, but unfortunately, the judge denied that, and rather he postponed the settlement conference, and this time to be held in person to give Critical K time to actually make travel arrangements to Mississippi, so this conference could be held in person, which she refused to comply with the court. Then in September 2022, again the judge scheduled a settlement conference for this time in October on the 18th, and Critical K was ordered to appear in person, again which she failed to appear. Mrs. ANDREACCHIO then moved for sanctions because Critical K failed to attend once again, and then she went ahead and filed for a default motion. Critical K claimed the reason she did not attend was because she was afraid for physical safety, and that she did not have proper legal counsel and other things to do with the mental health and so forth. On February 1st, 2023, a motion hearing was scheduled for 20th of March 2023. On March 10th, the judge granted Mrs. ANDREACCHIO motion for sanction in the amount of $895.67, which is due to the clerk on or before May 1st, 2023. Moving forward, on March 20th, 2023, once again, Critical K did not attend the motions hearing. The court denied all her outstanding motions as abandoned and said they would rule on the default judgment in time. Then on May 19, 2023, a motion for default judgment was granted, and later an evidentiary hearing will be held to discuss the damages. Critical K lost her defamation lawsuit. As I stated, there will be an evidentiary hearing later on to actually discuss the damages. This did not age well for Critical K. How is she fighting for all creators? She constantly and intentionally violated all court orders, not participating in what she should have been participating in, and had the audacity to send this text message to a third party. She says, the court threatened to sanction me again. Last time they sanctioned me $100. Who knows what they will do this time? But I'm not going there, ever. It's just not even possible. At the end of the day, I'm so happy that Mrs. ANDREACCHIO got her justice. At the end of the day, I'm so happy that Mrs. ANDREACCHIO actually got her justice. Critical K won't be able to say anything else about this family ever, I assume. This is not something that somebody should be happy about, because at the end of the day, Critical K could lose everything. And I hope she doesn't lose everything. But also, it's like, where do you draw the line? Where do you stop all this foolishness? You sat on your channel and you bragged about this whole lawsuit and how you're not going to do this and how you're not going to do that. And you taking one for the team. Which team is going to come to your aid now, Critical K? Nobody's going to come and help you out. And this is what truly gets me with people like Critical K and Katie Joy. How far is too far? Not because you have this platform with thousands of followers does that exempt you from being held accountable in the court of law, especially when you're being negligent and not covering your own arse. Thinking that you can say whatever you want for the shock factor or claiming freedom of speech, especially in true crime. Evidence plays a huge role, not because something does not add up to us as individuals. Can we just go around and speak negatively without proof or how the person is acting? That, in my opinion, is just negligent. Absolutely, people are entitled to their opinions, but just be responsible when giving your opinion. I call out without a crystal ball on all her bullshit. I go after her actions. I get people coming to me and telling me their involvement with Katie Joy, but I will not say jack shit because sometimes people just don't want to deal with her anymore and actually come on and speak for themselves and just want to set the record straight. In some more serious situations, where it is not my place to tell their story, even with their permission. And I wouldn't want to do that because I would like to safeguard myself, for number one. Number two is like, why would I want to play in the dirt with Katie Joy where she just wanting to sue people? You know what? My family comes first. I've got college tuitions to pay. At the end of the day, I can't be throwing money away. And let's be clear, in my opinion, Katie Joy has done a lot of people wrong. So with all that said, let me know what you guys think about this whole Critical Case situation. This is now the second creator that's been held accountable for defaming others. The other creator I'm talking about is Tasha K, who was sued by Cardi B. And Tasha K was found liable for defamation damages in the amount of $4 million. Wow. Thank you guys so much for your time. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget on your way out to please like, subscribe, and the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Have a blessed week. Be safe out there. Be kind to one another. And don't forget, make good memories. Bye, guys.